Kia ora Avensiders, welcome to video 2. This is an introduction to OneNote that you are going to find within Teams. So as you can see here, I have got my Teams window up and I'm in the 9B HPE 2019 team, and I'm also in the general channel. So if we want to have a look at that, I just need to scroll down that white column. So in the white column I'm 9 HPE and it's general that I've got tapped open. So what we can see in the grey space, this is like your desktop, that we've got conversations, files, class OneNote, assignments. We're going to investigate OneNote. Now OneNote, it's like a virtual ring binder where you can keep all your notes, and your teacher will put notes in there and put worksheets in there that they'll want you to do, and put assignments in there that you'll use various Office 365 apps and other apps from different makers as well to create things. So see towards, I'm just circling with the cursor and it sometimes turns into a hand, there's a diagonal up down arrow. If I tap that, it's going to make my window a lot bigger, so my workspace. And at the moment we've got Welcome to OneNote, and I'm now looking at the left towards the top, circling, and I've got a sideways arrow, and if I tap that, it's going to show me the OneNote. Now I'm just going to have a look at another one. So this is another example of a OneNote, and what you can see is I've got some different sections in it. Now I've got the teacher view, so I can see my students. These are actually staff. Alright, so I can see Anna, Anne, Annette and Katrina. You will only see your name, and that particular section, I'll open Katrina's section, that is where your notes are. You can write on this, your teacher can see it, your teacher can write on it. Alright, so that's your space. There is the content library. Now the content library are basically, you can see it but you can't do anything to it. Alright, so that's contents. And then there's this collaboration space. Now the collaboration space is somewhere where everyone, so all the class members, so students and teachers, can write in this space. And at some stage later in the piece you're going to be using this introductions page, but not right now. And then there's the welcome section, and your teacher might put some bits and pieces in there, such as a class calendar. So that is the collaboration, that is OneNote and what it looks like. Let's just check what we've got, what's happening, tasks. So you'll see that these have got blue underlined words. These are actually links that should take you to different pages within that section. So, and you can see there's also boxes, and when you've done something you can tick it like that so that you know where you're up to. So this is the section that you're onto now, OneNote and Teams. So having watched the video, get into your OneNote, go to your section and complete complete information gathering digital know-how. So I can click on the blue, takes me to the page, and it's a quiz so that we can get to understand what knowledge you've got in regards to working digitally in your class. And so just answer the questions, then I'll go back to my task sheet. The next one would be all about me, so I'll go in that, have a read of it. I can write directly on here, mountain biking. I might change the colour, so I'll highlight it. If I right click, I might get some options, might not, but I'll go to the top. There's the font colour. I'm going to just choose black. Oops, I unhighlighted that, didn't I? It'll make it easier for my teacher to see. There we go. Highlight it again. There we go. Okay, so it's black. Then once I've finished that, go back to my tasks and give it a tick, and then go into my section again, my life and pictures. So it says I need to add one to 5 pictures or photos that show things that represent you. Use the insert button above to search the pictures. So let's have a go. Insert pictures. Okay, so I can get them from file, so that'll be from my files. Camera, if you happen to have a device that can take a photo, you could take a selfie. From online, you could grab some photos of things that you're into. So pop those onto there. And then we'll give that a tick. And then the last part of task 2, which is D, is collaboration section. Introduce yourself there, say your name, the last school that you came from, and one thing that you're into. So let's just go back to here. So if I go to collaboration space, and there'll be a page that's called Introductions. And in there I can write down, hi, I'm Ginny. I was at Wellington High School and I'm into mountain biking. Now, you'll have everyone in your class doing that at the same time, so it's important that you try not to write over each other. So rather than start at the top, you may well decide to scroll around the page and start somewhere else. There's bringing the scroller there. I can move down, up, and put my message there. Let's just check out what else I need to do. That's it for task 2. That would be the final thing, and then you're on to a collaborative task. Okay, go do that. Good luck.